It all started with an idea to help excavator operators become more efficient. Steelris was born to make excavators safer and, above all, more efficient. With our products, we are transforming this industry. And over the last 20 years, we've built a fantastic team dedicated to innovation and customer success. Starting from a small garage in Vallentuna, north of Stockholm, we took our first steps. We launched our first tilt rotators in 2005. Over the years, our product portfolio has expanded a lot, now including tilt rotators, quick couplers, rotor and tilt couplers, and of course a whole range of work tools.
Since start, Steelris wanted to change the industry. We have brought innovative products to the market. The fully casted tilt rotator, front-lid lock technology, and a strong focus on control systems. Our products are made to be stronger, smarter, and continuously driving the industry forward.
My name is Oskar Jacobsen, and I work as a machine operator at Bollrätts Schakt, based in Uppsala. We have been using Steelris for many years now. They have great products, but most importantly, they have a great support team. Whenever there's been a problem, they've been there to help us. We've been using them for a variety of jobs for the past years, and we are very happy with the results.
As we grew, so did our reach. From Sweden to the Nordics, then across Europe, and eventually to North America and Asia. Each expansion a testament to our dedication to bringing Steelris solutions closer to customers worldwide. Today we have a global footprint with team members in more than 20 countries.
It's really cool to see Steelris grow globally. We've been able to maintain our values and deliver our high standards, whether we're working with a customer in Europe, Asia or North America.
Steelris has always been more than just products. It's about people, creating a workplace that values responsiveness, simplicity and speed.
I've been here since the early years, and it's been incredible to be part of our growth. We work closely together, helping each other and learning from each other. You really feel like you're making a difference here.
With a new generation of tilt rotators, the small automatic couplers and a wide range of work tools, we are ready for the future. Committed to bringing great solutions to customers all over the world. 20 years of dedication to earth-moving efficiency, together in a great community of fantastic customers and hard-working co-workers. This is Steelris, and this is just the beginning.